We need to talk about something. Oh,
The kids are home soon.
I know. But we must decide now.
About the gifts?
Yes. We can afford one big gift.
Only one? But we promised both.
We did. That's why this is hard.
So what do we do?
I have an idea. But here first.
Maya has become careless around that.
She's still young.
But Tom helps, without complaining nobody. You want to give the two?
No. I want to give Maya a to-it.
2 days of real work.
Her laundry, dinner. That sounds like punishment.
It's not punishment. It's teaching.
She'll feel forced. Like must be.
Love is not earned, but is learned.
I don't know, Maya is.
Exactly why she needs to what she do.
What about Tom? His gift comes next month. He understands.
Does he? Does Tom really?
We'll explain it carefully.
I hate saying no to him.
I know. But sometimes love means not yet.
And if Maya fails?
She won't fail. She'll learn.
Promise?
I promise we'll be fair.
Okay. We'll try your way.
Kids, we need to talk about what happened this afternoon.
We love you both very much. Your mother and I have been talking, and we've made a decision about the move.
It's going to be a big change, but we believe it's for the best. We have something special to tell you. Is it about our gifts?
Yes. But first, we want to explain.
What? Money is tight now. Joyce Moraine came. Oh.
They cast these fall macaron Felician. So we can give one big this.
Only one? Only one. And we've to make fair. How?
Maya, you can earn yours.
Earn it? How do I? By helping the family 2 days. Real.
What kind of work?
Clean your room completely. Fold the table.
That's easy. I can do.
It will be harder than think.
No, it's easy. I want to do.
What about me? Your gift comes next month, Tom. Oh.
Okay.
Yes. I understand.
Proud you.
Thank you. When do I start?
Tomorrow morning.
Wow.
I'm so excited. This will so easy.
There's our girl. We missed you so much.
We're just so happy you're safe now. Tom, come here.
I'm fine, Dad.
You matter very much.
I know. It's just a little messy.
I can fix this in minutes. Where does all this come from?
This is taking forever. Mom, this isn't fair. My room is too big. Your room is the same size it was yesterday.
But there's so much stuff.
Then you'll need patience.
This is impossible.
It's possible, but it takes time.
Why is nobody helping me? Tom, can you help me?
You can do it.
Just a little help.
It's your ask. It's your task.
He doesn't even care.
How was your day, Maya? Hard. Unfair.
Why unfair?
Not too lot. Because nobody helps me. Everything.
Tomorrow is the second day. Oh,
I don't want to do tomorrow. You have one more day.
Almost there.
I don't care about the gift anymore.
You don't mean that.
How would you know? You won't even help.
Because you have to learn. Learning.
I hate learning. Tom, wait.
Let him have space.
But he's hurting.
Yes. But Maya must finish.
What about Tom's hurt?
We'll speak to Tom tomorrow. Maya needs rest.
I don't know how we can choose. It's impossible.
We have to, honey. We don't have another option.
This is impossible. I can't do this anymore.
Mom does this every day. She never complains. She just does it. I understand now. Yes. I'm glad you were here. Today is the last day.
Let's finish this. I did this. With my own hands. It feels good. What's happening?
Is this really for me? You earned it. I'm making a mess. She's different.
Yes.
Can I tell you something?
Of course.
I was sad about waiting for my gift.
You were?
I helped the family. And
Maya got her gift.
your sadness is valid, Tom.
We should have asked how you felt.
I understand why you made this choice. But it still hurt.
Yes, it did.
No matter what happens, you'll always have us.
We love you very much.
Next month, you get your gift. And this month, you know we see you.
I know that now. Because of Maya. It's coming together.
Your room looks nice. Thank you for noticing. Want to help me organize this?
Yes. Here are the adventure stories. Where should these go? Let's put them right up here next to the fantasies. What are we making? Mom, you do this every day?
Every day. I know. That's a lot of work. That's a lot of work.
It is. But it's what families do. I appreciate it more now.
I'm so proud of you, Maya. You handled that wonderfully.
Thanks, Mom. I really tried my best. My gift comes next month.
Yes. And we'll all be here to celebrate.
I'm not angry anymore.
I'm glad.
Can I say something? Can I say something?
Yes.
Thank you for making me do the work.
Thank you for completing it.
The gift is nice, but the real gift was understanding. That's very wise, Maya. I learned it from you. Do you know what we learned? That love isn't just about giving gifts.
It's about teaching, learning, and growing together.
That's what happened to me. And to all of us.